Little hiccups.
Should put some music in the background.
Huh. So pretty.
You're so precious.
Little precious.
Is she up or is she still having her eyes
Look at her
closed?
little hands. Her little fingers.
She's so